Have you ever accidentally deleted a Canva project or needed to clean up your workspace but worried about losing something important? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, I'll show you exactly how to delete and recover your projects in Canva, step by step. First, let's talk about deleting a project. Navigate to your Canva homepage and find the design you want to remove. Hover over it and you'll see 3 dots appear in the top corner. Click on those dots and select Move to Trash. That's it. Your project isn't gone forever, it's safely stored in the trash for about 30 days, giving you a safety net in case you change your mind. Now, what if you need to recover a project? It's just as simple. From the Canva menu, go to Trash. Here, you'll see all the designs you've recently deleted. Find the project you want to restore, click the 3 dots and select Restore. Your project will instantly return to your main designs just like nothing happened. Knowing how to manage your Canva projects efficiently can save you a ton of stress and time. Remember, anything in the trash is only kept for 30 days, so act quickly if you need it back. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can delete unwanted designs and recover ones you thought were gone forever. Keep your Canva workspace clean, organized, and worry-free.